Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I thought today I would talk a little bit about my channel and why I have it. Most of the people who train with me know what it's all about, but I am slowly starting to get more viewers than students. In fact, quite a few more viewers than students. I'm still pretty much small potatoes. I'm not large enough for YouTube to allow me to monetize on the channel, but still there is enough people sort of watching that I thought it would be a good idea to explain what the channel is about. It is not advertising. I have for years been telling students, take notes. Bring a notebook and take notes. But it is difficult, I fully admit, to take notes during a class. I have a huge stack of notes that I've taken over the years, but I see very few students bringing notebooks and taking notes. And so I decided a little over a year ago, I guess, to videotape the entire class and then take snippets, mostly for the students to be able to review and look back at what they did as a way to try to remember and recall and practice on their own. Each week I create a newsletter which tells them what's coming up in the week and give them some old videos that will help them prepare for what's coming in the week. But I also show the previous week's videos, so if they just collect the newsletters, then they have kind of a notebook of what transpired over their training and stuff they missed. Because, you know, we're adults, we have lives, we can't make every single class. Not that I put the whole class up or that I even do a video for every single class, but I do try to emphasize or put up little short videos of the important bits. I try to keep my videos short. We are all inundated with tons of videos we like to watch or other things we like to do. We're like right now, I'm personally continuing some of my training, doing some online Tai Chi training under Master Wong. So there's a chunk of time, and then there's class preparation, and there's creating the videos, and then there's going to class, and then I have this other job, and I try to keep my videos short. Maybe next week I'll talk a little bit about my history, since I am getting some viewers who are not students, who do not know me. But anyway, that's what the videos are really about. I know hopefully some of you find them educational. Certainly my students should find them as a tool to remember what has been taught. I hope you are having a great day. Oh, and before I go, let me remind you, good martial is universal. We're having a weekend workshop November 4th, 5th, and 6th here in Columbia, South Carolina. And it will, Dan Bernardo, who is a high-ranking instructor in Tang Soo Do, and I, an instructor in Wing Chun, we will be looking at different arts. He has several different arts that he has studied and teaches, and I have several, and we will be looking at a bunch of different arts and how they connect. I mean, we're all built roughly the same, so most martial arts have commonalities, and that's really where good martial is the common stuff. So think about attending if you can. I'll have a link below. I hope you're having a great day, and keep on training.